Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to mount a drive as a folder in Windows computer. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So, firstly, open the File Explorer. And now you can select any drive partition. So here I'm going to select the C drive. And now here, let me create one new empty folder. Just right mouse click on your mouse. Click on this new, select this folder. Now let me give a file name drive just to give you an example. So I've created a new empty folder inside this C drive. So now you can minimize it. Now just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for disk management. And here you will see here one option, create and format hard disk partitions. Just click on it. Now it will open the disk management program. Now just select the drive which you want to mount on a respective folder. So say I'll select this D drive. You can select the C drive also. Just right mouse click on the respective drive. Now just click on this change drive letter and paths. Now just click on this add. Now just select the second option, mount in the following empty anti-fs folder. Click on this browse. Now locate to the folder which you have created. So in my case it's in the C drive. So I've named it a drive. Just select it. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Wait for a few seconds. Now just minimize this disk management program. Now let us reopen the respective folder which we have created earlier. Just open the File Explorer again. Voila. Now you can see here this empty folder is showing like a drive icon since we have mounted the respective drive on this empty folder. So let me try to open it. Now it will show you the exact replica of the respective D drive. So now if you want to unmount this drive from this empty folder, what you need to do is just open back the disk management program. Just right mouse click on the respective drive which you have selected earlier. Click on the Sense Drive Letter and Paths. Now just select the folder which we have selected earlier. So it's in the drive in my case. And now just click on this remove. Click on yes. Now you can close this disk management. Now let us reopen the File Explorer. Now you can see here it's back to the empty folder. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily mount a drive as a folder in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.